Hello, guys. I hope you are all doing well. If this is your first time on the channel, I'm going to ask you, please, pretty please, to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. I have a chicken suya recipe for you today. You can tell that I'm so excited. Yes, a suya chicken recipe. Let's get started. I'm using thinly sliced chicken tenderloins for this recipe. Of course, you can use any part of the chicken that you want or the whole chicken, but I chose to use the chicken tenderloins. And yeah, I washed it with some lemon juice and then I dried it with paper towel, just to make sure that I'm gonna be using some powdered spice. The suya spice is powdery, so you don't want any water dripping off all over it, so bear that in mind. Then get another container, put some oil, check the description box for the measurements, put some oil in that container. I'm adding about a half a teaspoon of Lawry's seasoned salt. You can use Maggi or any salt that you want. Then I'm adding a half a teaspoon of onion powder and a half a teaspoon of some smoked paprika to make that color pop. Mix it all together, and that's the suya spice. You're gonna place it on the chicken. Make sure you put enough so that every piece is well coated with the suya spice. Now you can put it to marinate. I didn't have any time to marinate it, but make sure that you put enough. You're gonna get in there, rub it, make sure that it all gets coated, and there enough, it is ready to be prepared for the oven. Normally they do this on skewers and grill them, but I couldn't do that today, so I used a cookie sheet, and I'm just greasing it with some of the seasoned oil right there. Now place your chicken pieces on there, and yes, you are ready for the oven when you are done. And then we are going to oil it, all of the chicken, coat it very well with some of that seasoned oil, and you're going to turn it over to make sure that everything is well coated with that seasoned oil, because you don't want the chicken to be sticking to the container. All right, and you want it to come out whole and nice. And then you're going to sprinkle a little bit more of the seasoning on there, and then you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for about 20 minutes. Now while your chicken is baking, you're going to go ahead and prep your vegetables that you're going to eat with that suya chicken. They use red onions. I don't have any red onions, so I use the yellow onion, and tomatoes, and also cucumbers, and they also have it with cabbage. I have no cabbage, so I just have to make do with what I have, which is the onion and the tomato and the cucumber. So you have a special way of slicing the onion because you want that those pretty rings. So you slice it like that, and then you take it apart. You have the whole rings there. It makes it look so pretty. And you're going to go ahead also and slice your tomatoes and your cucumbers. Okay. All right, remember I said if you have cabbage, go ahead and use it. And 20 minutes later, voila, you have your baked suya chicken. But hold up, guys, I'm not quite done yet. I'm going to turn them, and after I turn them, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of that suya goodness on the chicken, and then I'm going to pop it back into the oven for about 10 minutes ish. You don't have to let it stay longer than that, okay? And boom, voila, you have your suya chicken. Guys, I'm gonna be making a soya chicken wrap, so stay tuned for that video. And right now I'm gonna tell you guys, I appreciate you watching, I appreciate your support, and I'm gonna ask you also to make sure you share. And if you have not subscribed, now would be a good time to subscribe, and always remember to click that notification bell so that you know when I upload other videos. Guys, I want to tell you, those of you who have continued to support me, I can't tell you enough how I so much appreciate you. And I'm going to say right now, thank you for watching.